Today we want to butcher turkey, and here is it, the magnificent turkey. I'm just going to walk you through how you use the butcher knife to do this. Now before we do this, oh, this is big. So we're going to take out some of the parts. This is the neck. I don't use this, so the part that I'm not going to use, I'll drop it on my left hand side. The part I'm going to use, I'll drop it on my right hand side. I'm just going to get a bowl to do that. I'm going to be putting everything in a big bowl. So I'm putting a big bowl in my kitchen sink where I'll be dropping everything there. Turkey gizzards, I won't be using this. Oh, this is what you can use to marinate it if you want. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. You can't do anything with this on. I want to take this off, guys. So taking this off, putting the parts I don't need that way. So we're going to cut this out. I'm going to use this and bring this out. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this over again. Now you know, because it's frozen and stored for a long time, everything tends to shrink, so you need to just pull it out in between the wings and the breast. You want to cut this out. Now set this aside, guys, and I'll do the same thing for this part. I need to okay, so I know this is looking scary because it's big, but we can do this. So you turn it over, turn this over. So when we turn this over, you can see, right? Braid the laps and cut this. Do the same thing for this part. You know, I'm not a fan of grilling a whole turkey like this. For chicken it's fine, but turkey, I'm going to go easy on this. You're doing a great job. So this part, I'm just going to still keep it here, and I'll cut this for the thighs. I want to go up ahead a little bit. Do the same thing here. Well, there's the feeder, there's the pearl. So guys, you can see we are doing a good job. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting this part out. Yeah. So this process don't take time. You can cut this also, and I'm going to do that. And I can leave some big chunks and grill them. Bones, go away. I don't need the bones. The bones are so hard, guys. So you see, I've taken out some hard parts of the bones. I'm going to go ahead and clean it. Just going to butcher it, you know. So for me, I'm just going to take a few parts of the turkey meat out of here, and I'll trash the rest because I don't want bones. I'll do that later. I don't want to take our time in this video. Then this other side of the meat, it's good to turn it over and cut. You know, if you want to grill it this way, it's perfect. Just going to put my knife. You can see that. You just have to be careful here so you don't pieces your meat too much. Guys, am I doing a great job? Please give me a thumbs up in the comment section if you think I'm doing well with the turkey. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. You can make it bigger if you want. It's just a personal choice. But so far so good. I think I love the smaller pieces of the meat. So I'm just going to cut them up. Just giving you a view of what I do. Normally I'll still cut them back again just to show you that. Then this part you can divide it this way. It's either you go this way or you go the other way around. Good. Anywhere you go, it's good. So we've done the main part of this, and the main part was taking off the wings, the thighs. Like it's not totally defrosted. Are you dancing now? Is it recording? Is it recording? Are you dancing now? Ooh, trash this, trash that, trash.